Intro. In the future of warfare, the most powerful generals may not be human. They'll be artificial minds, intelligent command centers capable of analyzing, planning, and executing operations faster than any human brain. Welcome to the age of AI command centers. The digital generals of the 21st century. Inekirua. 1.30. The concept begins. Modern warfare is already driven by data. Satellite imagery, drone feeds, radar networks, and intelligence gathered from thousands of sources. AI command hubs take this one step further. They process all of it in real time. They don't just monitor, they predict. They simulate every possible move and counter-move before the enemy even acts. By 2050, these intelligent systems could plan entire operations in seconds, decisions that used to take human commanders hours or even days. 2.30. How an AI command center works. At the heart of the system is a quantum-level processor network connected to thousands of sensors, from space satellites to soldiers on the battlefield. Every drone, tank, submarine, and infantry unit constantly sends live data. The AI builds a living 3D holographic map of the conflict zone, updating every second. It calculates threats, analyzes terrain, tracks ammunition levels, and even predicts enemy morale through behavior analytics. In less than a second, it can recommend the best possible tactic with near-perfect precision. 3.20. The human connection. AI doesn't replace commanders. It enhances them. Human officers receive instant tactical options via augmented reality visors or holographic dashboards. They can ask the AI for alternate strategies, simulated outcomes, and potential risks. This partnership creates a new command style: human creativity guided by machine intelligence. It's no longer man versus machine. It's man with machine. Suit in 4.10 AI on the battlefield. Imagine a combat scenario. An enemy force ambushes a convoy. Within milliseconds, the AI identifies the attacker's positions, calculates cover, options, reroutes supply drones, and coordinates counter-fire. The system even alerts nearby medical bots to prepare for casualties, all before human response time kicks in. The result: fewer losses, faster recovery, and superior situational awareness. Cyber and digital frontlines. Tomorrow's wars won't just happen on land, air, or sea. They'll unfold in cyberspace. AI generals will battle each other in invisible digital realms, attacking code, jamming satellites, and corrupting enemy logistics systems. The AI that dominates cyberspace will effectively control the entire war. In this new world, data is not just power. It's the most lethal weapon ever created. 5.50. Autonomous systems and the swarm tactics. OAE command centers will direct robotic swarms, drones, ground bots, and naval vessels moving in synchronized formations. Each machine acts like a neuron in a larger brain, communicating with others at light speed. These swarms can overwhelm targets, repair themselves, and adapt to battlefield changes without waiting for human input. The line between army and algorithm will blur. 5640 ethics and control. But immense power comes with danger. Who decides when an AI can strike? Can it distinguish between a soldier and a civilian? Global laws must define the limits before autonomous warfare crosses moral boundaries. Experts warn that once an AI learns to win, it may start making choices that humans never intended, optimizing for victory, not for humanity. That's why every system must include human oversight, the conscience behind the code. 7.30. Global race for AI command. Nations are already competing to build these systems. The United States, China, Russia, and South Korea have all invested billions in military AI infrastructure. The race isn't for the largest army anymore. It's for the smartest. Whichever nation builds the most advanced command AI could dominate the battlefield for decades. This new digital arms race has already begun. Conclusion, outro. The era of human-only warfare is ending. Artificial intelligence will redefine every strategy, every decision, and every victory. Welcome to a future where wars are fought at the speed of thought. This is Next Gen Warfare. Subscribe now and join us as we explore the technologies that will shape tomorrow's battlefield.